setting up Claude Code. Roll the intro. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Adrian. And on this channel, we build AI systems. Want to be clear, this video is for everyone. So if you're non-technical, if you've never written a line of code in your life, it completely does not matter. If you've never opened the terminal, doesn't matter, okay? If all you do is ask ChatGPT questions, it doesn't matter, okay? Completely fine, you're in the right place. We're gonna take care of you. It is about building with Claude Code today. My background, I came from filmmaking and marketing. I'm not a developer whatsoever, but I've been using Claude Code to automate huge parts of workflows and run my business, and it's amazing. So I'm here to teach you as well. This is going to be the start of a series of videos going over the AI system that we are going to be building. And yeah, it's a step-by-step to build your own system that works for you and what your goals are, which is very cool. So this is all about getting Claude Code set up in your terminal, okay? We're gonna be covering the difference between a GUI and a CLI. A GUI is a graphical user interface. It's your web app when you're talking to ChatGPT or Claude in the web, on the browser, right? And then the CLI is the command line interface. This is the terminal, so it can run commands and build from underneath the clicks that you do on your computer. And that's where this Claude Code CLI is gonna live, and we're gonna set it up today. That's what we're gonna do. When you use Claude Code in the terminal, Claude can actually read your files on your computer. It can make changes on your computer. It can do commands that you simply cannot do in a GUI. So I'm gonna hand it over to myself for the tutorial section of the video to get you started. Over to you, Adrian. Welcome everyone to the tutorial part of the video. You should be excited because I am too. All right, the first thing that you're gonna do is go to your browser and we're going to download the IDE. So if you don't know what an IDE is, it is an integrated development environment. It's where we can build apps and things like that. So open up a new tab and search Visual Studio Code. And download it. If you have a Windows, the process might be different. Depending on what version your Mac is on, you'll have different processes, but you guys are all smart, and if you're watching this video, I'm sure that you can figure it out yourself. So once we download it, right, we'll go through the process, and it should look something like this. I already have it on my machine, so I'm actually not gonna do it, but so when you're finished, you should get to a page like this one. This is Visual Studio Code, and it's where we're going to be hosting our system. We're going to hold this at this screen for a second, and we're going to go to our desktop, and we're going to add a folder. And we're going to put it somewhere here, and we're going to name it My AI System. You know what I'm saying. My AI System. And head back. Once we're in Visual Studio Code, we want to open up the folder that we just made by clicking here. Head to desktop and then grab your AIOS system. And then we go terminal, new terminal. Okay, so once we have opened Visual Studio Code and we have the terminal open, we're going to paste this command in. And then we're going to type Claude. Trust the folder. And just like that, you have Claude Code inside your terminal. We can say hi to it. you can run commands like this. Open up YouTube on my Chrome browser of Elon Musk doing an interview. Cool. So while that is somewhat of a stupid example, you can see the difference between a GUI and a CLI, right? Because if you were in the web browser, ask the same question to Claude. Open YouTube on my Chrome browser of Elon Musk doing an interview. It says, I cannot directly control your Chrome browser, right? So a bit more powerful in the CLI, and we're going to be building on top of that from here on out. So excited to get deeper into this series, and back to you, Adrian. Hey, welcome back. Thank you so much, Adrian, for that lovely explanation and walking everyone through that. I hope you'd enjoyed it, and I do want some feedback on that. So now you've got Claude Code set up in the terminal. Congratulations, you've made it this far, and you're ahead of most people in the AI space, which is fantastic. If you want to learn more about AI, subscribe and follow along. And if you want to talk more about AI and how it can help your business, book a call with us at Evolv, and we'd be happy to help you. Much love.